my ears. How the hell? Oh, it's down there. I bet that's a freaking 3/8. Yeah, all I got is my 5/16. Ah, there goes my paperwork. I gotta go all the way down in my truck to get a stupid nut driver. Oh well. Now I fixed that. That bolt fell out, and there's a nut that's on the reverse side of that as well. And I changed out the belt. It's on a delay. I forgot how long it's on a delay for, but power's been restored. And I just gotta wait and see. I think it'll be a lot better than what it was. That tension is good as well. It's not too tight. God damn, I lose this paperwork over and over again. Ah. Stay there. Come on. Don't tell me it's like a 5-minute delay. Much quieter. That's a little wobbly, but the tension's good. Whatever the hell is doing would work.